Imagine waking up one day, knowing you never have to worry about money again. No more paycheck-to-paycheck stress. No more debts weighing you down. Just complete financial freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the good news is it's achievable. And today, I'm going to introduce you to 10 life-changing books that will help you master money, build wealth, and gain true financial independence. Stay with me till the end, because each book builds on the last, taking you from financial basics to advanced wealth strategies. Most people work their entire lives, yet never achieve financial security. Why? Because schools never teach us how money actually works. Without financial literacy, many people end up trapped, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and relying on luck to retire comfortably. Here's a shocking fact. Nearly 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck, and over 60% can't cover a $1,000 emergency expense. That's not just a problem, it's a crisis. But the good news? You don't have to be one of them. Financial freedom isn't about earning more. It's about learning how to manage, invest, and grow your money wisely. And that's exactly what the books I'm about to share will teach you. But before we get into the list, let's talk about the 4 pillars of financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it, growing it, and using it wisely. There are 4 essential pillars you must master. First, building wealth. Learning how to increase your income and make money work for you. Second, managing expenses. Controlling spending and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Third, investing wisely, growing your wealth through smart investments. And fourth, protecting assets, ensuring your wealth is safeguarded for the long term. Every book on this list will help you master one or more of these pillars. So, let's dive into the first 5 books that will change your financial life. These first 5 books are perfect if you're just starting your financial journey. Each one covers a critical aspect of financial freedom. Let's start with Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. This is one of the most famous personal finance books of all time. Kiyosaki contrasts 2 mindsets: the poor dad, who believes in job security, and the rich dad, who understands financial independence. The key lesson? The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. This book will completely change how you think about wealth and assets. Next is The Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey. If you're struggling with debt, this is the step-by-step guide you need. Ramsey teaches a no-nonsense approach to getting out of debt and taking control of your money. His baby steps method has helped millions achieve financial stability. Next is The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel. Why do smart people make dumb money decisions? This book reveals how emotions and behavior shape financial success. Understanding the psychology behind money is just as important as knowing how to invest. Next is Your Money or Your Life, Vicki. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about your life. This book will make you rethink what financial independence really means and help you align your spending with what truly matters to you. Next is I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit. Sethi. If you hate budgeting but want to be financially secure, this book is for you. Ramit Sethi simplifies financial freedom into a step-by-step system that works, even if you're starting from scratch. Now that we've covered the basics, are you ready for the next level? The next 5 books will take your financial game to new heights. Now that you understand the fundamentals, let's talk about building serious wealth. These next 5 books cover advanced topics like investing, real estate, and financial independence strategies. Let's start with The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Ever wondered how real millionaires live? Spoiler alert, they don't drive Lamborghinis. This book is based on decades of research, proving that the wealthiest people live below their means and invest wisely. Next is The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. This is the investing Bible. Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett's mentor, teaches the fundamentals of value investing, how to buy stocks wisely and build long-term wealth. Next is The Simple Path to Wealth, J.L. Collins. Want to build wealth without stress? This book shows you how to invest using low-cost index funds, avoid common money traps, and reach financial independence faster. Next is Unshakeable, Tony Robbins. Markets go up and down, but your wealth doesn't have to. Tony Robbins breaks down how to invest safely, even in economic downturns, so you can retire with confidence. Next is the Barefoot investor, Pape. This is one of the best step-by-step guides to financial security. Pape simplifies money management into an easy-to-follow plan that anyone can use. Now you have the knowledge, but what should you do next? Let's talk about taking action. Reading these books is great, but knowledge without action is useless. Here's how you can start your journey to financial freedom today. First, pick one book from this list and commit to reading it this month. Next, set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for an emergency fund, investing, or paying off debt. Finally, take small, consistent actions. Even investing just $50 a month can completely change your future. Which book are you starting with? Drop a comment below. If you found this video valuable, do share it with someone you think it might be helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing book recommendations. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.